What's up, people of YouTube? This is Grow Me Something Mister. This video is stage 3 of the tasso making process according to Primal Cajun's YouTube channel. Today is Saturday. It's been in the refrigerator for 2 days with all of this heavy seasoning, and he says to put it on a wire rack to allow for further drying and draining of the moisture. This is what came out of the pan. Everything was in this pan here. I do not have the bone on here. It will not fit and may not even fit on my barbecue pit. I'm going to let this dry for about an hour or so, and then we'll be back where I'm going to show you my barbecue pit setup for the smoking temperatures and what I'm using. Oh, check out that pit right there. That's a 22-inch Weber kettle grill. This thing is filled to the max with this meat here. Hope this does all right. According to Primal Cajun, he says you need to smoke this for 150 degrees for the first 4 hours and then increase the temp to 200 degrees, that's Fahrenheit, for the next 2 hours, and you want an internal temperature to be 165. So I don't know, we'll see how this turns out. Several hours away from me, just a few seconds for y'all to see how this turned out. Okay, there we are. After about 5.5 hours later, this is what we're dealing with here. I over smoked it way too much. The temperature is about 165, 170, 180 in other pieces. There's a nice little smoke ring, but clearly this did not look to be cured as much as Primal Cajun's was. So I might have to decrease the amount of liquid that this curing salts was in, or increase the amount of curing salt, or just try it again. It's not as spicy as I would like. It is spicy, but you know, I want to make it real spicy, and it's not real spicy, but it is pretty good nonetheless. So there we go, stage 3 of making homemade tasso. My attempt at it. I'll try it again another day, another time. But for right now, thank y'all very much for watching. This is Grow Me Something Mister. And remember, no, I don't have an eggs line yet, so see you later, everybody.